Hello, everyone. So I got some more locks in. I decided to get more locks, and all three of these can be opened with the same key, even though they're different manufacturers. And that key is a warded key. This is a sleigh maker warded lock. You've got to get in here and find the right place on these guys. This key will open all three, but sometimes you wonder, like, man, do I have the right key? Is this the right mechanism? There we go. That's one. It's just a warded lock. It was pretty cool. This is not patina. This is paint. On this one was originally, it looked like it was black paint on it. It's a stability. I don't know really who made this one. It didn't come with a key. And there we go. Got that one. Yeah, it just has stability on it. I have to look it up. Might be Reese or something. I don't think it's Yale. This is a Yale padlock, and it's a model 225. It's a warded lock. This is cast iron. This is cast iron around here, and this, I believe, is a steel plate. I'm going to take some sandpaper or something to this and try to clean this one up a little bit. See if I can get it to come out more. This one right here I put some lube on it, but it was one of the most difficult ones to figure out where that mechanism is at. There we go. I have to rotate it and turn it. So there you go. 3 padlocks, 3 different manufacturers, open with the same key. Yeah, it's the large warded key. So thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone. Or happy wafering. No, warding. That's what warding. Happy warding, everyone.